2013, I continued my restoration visits at Conneaut Lake Park, and this is one of those visits. This was the Landscaping the Midway volunteer visit. This went on for a few days. 17 or 18 people showed up, a few different groups. We kind of split them up into different mulched islands and areas of landscaping throughout the park, mostly towards the front entrance. The second day, 9 or 10 came back as well. And on both days, I stayed later after everybody was gone and tried to put together some more islands on my own, and also spread mulch and topsoil. And then there was a third day where it was just me that came out, and I just kind of ran around all the different islands we built and just added to them and put more mulch on, and just went around and filmed everything we had built so far. After we all ate, we went back and continued building all the islands we were working on.
Mm-hmm.
Once the volunteer project was over and everybody went home, I stuck around at the end of the day both days, and also the third day by myself, and went around and added to some of the islands, built a little bit more, and spread mulch around the flowers and mums that we had put in the flower beds. And I also started working more on the big island that I was building between the flying scooters and the paratrooper. Once the main flagpole island was finished, after all the volunteers were done planting and putting topsoil over top around the plants and shrubs, I went ahead and put some more topsoil on and put some more around some of the smaller islands before I started mulching. lot of different types of mulch that that I brought up myself and donated to the cause, and a lot of volunteers actually donated and brought as well. Different types of bags: cypress mulch, hardwood mulch, pine bark nuggets, uh, cedar mulch, different types, and I just kind of put them around the islands, just the best I could, how I saw fit, and sort of mix and matched them a little bit and blended them in so they'd cover the soil and just kind of hold the moisture in, so that after it rained, the water would stay in the ground for the plants, and also to prevent weed growth. Most of the bigger islands like this were made in the same way rather than laying landscape fabric down like I did on the early islands. As long as you have somebody pulling weeds once a week and making sure they're getting watered, these flower beds should look great for years to come. And that was the end of our Landscaping the Midway project in 2013 in September. Thanks again for watching. I'll still have a few more videos of Conneaut Lake coming up, and I'll see you then.